Hello guys, welcome to Technovid. Today we are covering top 5 flagship smartphones. The first phone in our list is by Vivo X50 Pro. It has 48 megapixel quad rear camera setup. You do get 32 megapixel front selfie camera. The display is given 6.5-inch Ultra HD resolution. You do get 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. You can put 2 nano SIMs standby dual 4G. The processor is integrated by Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor. The device comes with 4315 mAh battery. The camera performance is way better than expected. It has night mode which seems the best given by Vivo. The processor you get can handle hardcore gaming. The second phone in our list is by Oppo Find X2 Pro. The device is full of surprises. The display is given 6.7-inch OLED 120Hz Quad HD Plus resolution. It has triple rear camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera. In front you get 32 megapixel selfie camera. The box includes Super VOOC charger of 65 watt. The processor is given by Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor. You can put 2 nano SIM with dual 5G standby. You do get 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. The battery is given 2 into 2130 mAh, which is quite weird. The device also certifies IP68 waterproof and dustproof. The third phone in our list is by Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. As we know, Apple known for its quality and security. That also quite expensive as compared to other Android phones. The device has 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. You do get ceramic shield which is tougher than any smartphone as they say. The processor you get by Apple A14 Bionic chip, the fastest one by Apple. It has pro camera setup with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras along with various modes like night mode. It supports 4K 60fps recording with electronic and optical stabilization. You can shoot movies with it. The device certifies IP68 rating for water resistance. The fourth phone in our list is by OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus is known for fastest Android phone in the market that you can buy. We can compare Android phone like OnePlus to Apple iPhones in performance manner. The device OnePlus 8 Pro comes with quad rear camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera. You do get 16 megapixel front camera which is quite impressive. The RAM is given 12GB and 256GB internal memory. The device support for dual 5G nano SIM. The processor is given Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor. It has 4500 mAh battery which can last for whole day without gaming on it. The last phone in our list is by Samsung Note 20 Ultra. The Samsung breaks his own records by every year introducing their Note series lineup. The Note 20 Ultra comes with triple rear camera setup with 108 megapixel main camera, which is best among all Android phones. You do get 10 megapixel front camera by Sony. The display comes with huge 6.9-inch WQHD plus display with 1440p resolution for content creation and for content consuming. It has 99% sRGB and ARGB colors. The device has 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM, expandable up to 1TB. It also has dual nano SIM 5G standby. The processor you get different in different regions. Like in India, you get Samsung's Exynos 990 octa-core processor. In other region, you can get Snapdragon's latest 865 processor. The battery is given 4500. The device also certifies IP68 for water resistance. In my opinion, if you are Apple fan, an Apple consumer, you can go for iPhone 12 Pro Max. The quality you get is nothing to compare with other phones in the list. If you are Android consumer, then you can go for Samsung Note 20 Ultra. It is a powerful smartphone. If you are budget consumer, then you can go for OnePlus 8 Pro. So this is all about our flagship smartphones. So see you in our next video. Till then, have a good day. Make sure to hit like and subscribe button cause it's free.